Hi guys, welcome to another Saturday vlog. Saturday in Becky the mommy's home. You guys, I've been loving my Saturday vlogs this 2025. I was about to introduce you guys to something nice. Something nice for the kitchen. A new addition to my kitchen, a new baby to my kitchen. So my darlings, you all know that Valentine just passed. And my sweet man asked me what I want for Valentine. And I jokefully said, BUCHYMIX blender. Jokefully, oh. Hmm, 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 You guys, look at my BUCHYMIX. Look at my BUCHYMIX. So I've got a BUCHYMIX blender. I want to do this thumbnail now, like this, or like this, or like this. Ooh, okay, my darling. So yeah, Becky the mommy has got a BUCHYMIX blender. So hubby got this for me as part of my Valentine gift, and of course I got some other items here from Miniso. Also, as part of my Valentine gift, I'll be unboxing these other items with you guys towards the ending of this vlog. So please keep watching. Please, in case you can hear noise in the background, in my recent videos this 2025, there's a construction going on in the building close to us, and my vlogs this period has been something else. I had to go as far as, looking for apps that can cancel noise in the background, even if I have to pay for it. Like, I've been searching for it. If I can get the app before this vlog goes up, then you would definitely not hear any noise in the background. But if I don't get the app before this vlog goes up, please pardon me. Okay, it's been very, very tough shooting vlogs this period because of the construction going on close to us.
My baby, oh, nothing they sweet me like my baby, oh, my chamo, oh yo yo, nobody they do me like my baby, oh, baby, my baby, oh, baby, my baby, oh, sweetie, nothing they sweet me like my baby, my honey, my chamo, oh yo yo, oh yo yo. Nobody they do me like my baby. My baby, oh, my baby, oh, baby, my baby, oh, honey. Nothing they sweet me like my baby. My baby, mo, oh my lecha, oh yo yo, oh yo yo, ma. Nobody they do me like my baby. Every day, now she I they think you. Every night, I they see I'm for dream. Oh, love is a beautiful thing. If I dey sick, my baby now my medicine. My baby, oh, my baby, oh, my baby, oh. Nothing they sweet me like my baby. Oh my lechamo, oh yo yo. Nobody they do me like my baby. My baby, oh, my baby, oh. Nothing they sweet me like my baby. Oh my lechamo, oh yo yo. Nobody they do me like my baby. My baby, oh, my baby, oh. Nothing they sweet me like my baby. Oh my lechamo, oh yo yo. Nobody they do me like my baby.
So guys, I'm done unboxing my BUCHYMIX blender. So let me start cooking. My man is hungry, okay? This food I will try to cook the soups in 1 hour by the grace of God, because my man needs to eat, okay? You don't keep good men hungry. Ooh. BUCHYMIX. I'ma sing it, I'ma scream it, I'ma shout it. Becky has a BUCHYMIX blender.
Girl, bad man, they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got the rhythm and the vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house a play. Vibes on vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. You can balance it, check and balance it. No one bad man see, check and balance it. You put me on the low, you put me on the road. Bad man let them know, nobody have to know, nobody have to know. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and then they feel your vibe. Interconnected style, Lagos to Joburg, them and them I go deep mile. Girl, bad man they feel the way you whine to the rhythm and the bass. Move to the rhythm, make we groove, make we move to my play. You are got the rhythm and the vibe that I make a man crazy. Wine from the north to the south, you are set the house a play. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Vibes on vibes, you bring my way. I've been searching round the city, trying to find my way. Them done they look in my face. Got a bad man going insane. Mona Lisa, trying to please her, fashionista.
BUCHYMIX blender. Now your mix. Look at that.
From nobody, Jesus turned me to somebody. Healing my body and give me long life. From nobody, Jesus turned me to somebody. Healing my body and give me long life. Your love is so great, I can't explain. Your love and kindness, your love is so great, I can't explain. Your love and kindness, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to celebrate you. Yeah, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to say thank you. Yeah, that kind of love me never see. Jesus gave me the victory, put on my head crown of glory. I say change my life story. It's like a miracle. This is a wonderful day. Can't forget your mercy, you shall on me, my daddy. Miracle is flowing. Miracle, my mercy. You do me well, oh Lord, I am here to celebrate you. Yeah, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to say thank you for making every day Christmas full of light. Joy is the redeem of my heart. Blessed is the story of my life. Victory unlimited, that's the vibe. Your love is so great, I can't explain. Your love and kindness, you do me well, oh Lord, I am here to celebrate you. Yeah, you do me well, oh Lord, I Jesus turned me to somebody. Healing my body and give me long life.
So my darlings, at this point, the both soups are almost ready. As you can see, I'm just adding the last ingredients. I added periwinkle to the Oha soup, and that's Oha leaf you saw me add to that first pot. Now on this other pot, that's the egusi soup, I added also periwinkle and okazi, grinded okazi leaves. You guys, now I'm stirring the pot of soups. Legodinli. See, soup made for ODUGWU, specially for my ODUGWU. Legodinli. Just take a good look at the face of this egusi soup. Lumpless egusi soup. Now my darlings, you see that fufu I bring out from that pot, na me make am. Like, I process this fufu from scratch, and I have a video on how I made this fufu from scratch. So you want to turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss when I drop the video of how I made that fufu that you just saw from scratch. So yes, everything you see on this my ODUGWU's plate is made from scratch, is made fresh for my special man. You guys, take a good look at the face of this yummy looking African Nigerian delicacy. This is native Oha soup. Okay guys, so now let's unbox my other Valentine gift from Miniso. Yeah, Miniso Paris to be precise, okay? Oh, ego oyibo, ego oyibo, ego oyibo, ego oyibo. Aha, aha, aha. This man, his love language is perfume. Kilo day. Anyway, I love it. I can't wait to see Chineke now. You got me viewers. Okay, so this is it. Ego, 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 ego. Come on. Woo. VV love. VV love. Feel good, tata. Feel good, tata. Feel good, da 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 da. Man, no break this thing up. Woo. How did the tank bring them out? Woo! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at my new baby! So my darlings, if you watched to this point of this video, I'm sure you must have seen the fufu that I served my man with, the soup that I prepared. Please click on the notification icon bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. In fact, I have the video of how to process fufu from scratch coming up next, okay? And you don't want to miss that video. I beg, learn how to make fufu from scratch for your ODUGWU, for your ODUGWU, okay? Man, where they do well, serve them good food, okay, my darlings? Now, with that being said, thank you so much, my darlings, for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. This mama really do love you all for supporting her. God bless you. I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget, click on the notification bell so you get notified when I drop that video and every other video that I'll be uploading in the future. Let me go and bake. I don't cook finish, I did sweat. Let me go and bake. So I'll prepare myself for my ODUGWU, for my ODUGWU, for my ODUGWU. Me. I need to serve him dessert. Who is the dessert? Hey, you know what's up. Maybe the next gift will be SUV. Well, let me go and make and prepare myself for my odogwu, Odogwu where they do when I so now good food ain't go they chop. Ngwano, our newest baby is here. Gradually building my collection. And all of them now hobby. My odogwu. Now in they buy them chai. Now this new baby I go rub tonight after my evening, or I'll be waiting they call her night routine, night skincare routine. Now this one now I go spray for them with better sexy silk nightwear. I'm gonna tonight.